How about you?
I ate fried rice this morning.
Me too, sir. I ate fried rice this morning.
Wow, that's excellent. Today, I'll be your teacher for this class. My name is Raihandra, but you can call me Mr. Anda. I want to know about your names. Can I?
Yes.
Okay, from you, what is your name?
My name is Alzena Febiana Afrin. You can call me Zena.
Okay, that's a great name. How about you?
Is Vina Rizqo, you can call me Vina.
Next one.
My name is Aliya Nur Rafa. You can call me Aliya.
You.
My name is Wahidatul Munawaroh, but you can call me Hilda.
How about you?
My name is Qolba Nafaulya. You can call me Nafa.
Okay, thank you. Today we will learn about linear equation in one variable. But before we start, let's play together so the class can be going through well. Very begin. Okay, finish. So on the start then, a linear equation involves an unknown variable, often represented by x. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. Often represented by x. And the highest power of that variable is 1. For example, put x plus 4 equal 5. This is a linear equation because x is raised for the first power only. Linear equations are very useful in real life when we need to solve problems that involve unknown values, such as budgeting, planning, or even calculating speed or distance. Now, I want to make sure I understand this. Aliya, can you tell me what you understand by the term linear equation?
Well, Mr. Anda, I think a linear equation is an equation with just one unknown variable. And the variable is not raised to a higher power than 1. So, the equation would look like 3x plus 5 equals 20.
Okay.
But we need to solve for x, and we use algebra to find out what x is. I guess it's just about balancing both sides of the equation, right?
That's right, Aliya. A linear equation has one unknown. And our goal is to isolate the variable on one side of the equation so we can find its value. We do this by applying inverse operation like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and division. Both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. Let's start with a simple example. Nafa, how about we work to the equation 3x plus 7 equal 16 again.
Okay, Mr. Andra. So, we have 3x plus 7 equals 16. I think the first thing we need to do is subtract 7 from both sides to get rid of the 7 on the left side, right?
Exactly, Nafa. when we subtract 7 from the both sides, we get 3x equals 9. Now, what's the next step?
Now we divide both sides by 3 to isolate x. So x equals 9 divided by 3, which simplifies to x equals 3.
Okay. Exactly, Rafa. So the solution of 3x plus 7 equals 16 is 3. X equals 3. Now, Hilda, you've been solving linear equation for a while. Can you give us another example and explain the steps? I will write down the report.
Sure, Mr. Anda. Let's take 4x minus 5 equal 11.
Okay.
To solve this, the first step is to add 5 to both sides to get rid of the minus 5 on the left side. So we have 4x equal 16. Now, what do we do next?
We'll start Hilda. Now, to isolate x, what should we do?
We divide to both sides by 4. So x equals 16 divided by 4, which gives us x equals 4.
Let's try Hilda. So, the solution to 4x minus 5 equal 11 is x equals 4. Now, Vina, I'd like to see you try solving an equation on your own. How about 5x plus 3 equal 18? The second one, you write that.
Alright, Mr. Andra. So we have 5x plus 3 equal 18. The first thing I need to do is subtract 3 from both sides to eliminate the plus 3 on the left side. So we get 5x equal 15.
Okay. Wait a second.
Now to solve for x. I think we divide both sides by 5. So x equal 15 plus 5, which gives us x equal 3.
Okay, that's perfect, Vina. You solved it correctly. So x equal 3 is the solution of 5x plus 3 equal 18. Now, Zena, I know you are always curious about how we can use this equation in real life. Can you think of a real world example where we could use linear equation to solve a problem? But I think you guys can discuss it about it. I will give you several minutes, like 5 minutes to discuss it. Then after that, I will come to you guys to see your works soon. Okay, you can start the question right now.
Okay,
Okay. Are you finishing? Are you finishing?
excuse me, Mister. I want to ask.
Okay. Okay.
Does the variable always have to use x? Can't it use other method?
It's not always use that X as variable. You can use any letter from the alphabet or any variables to input into that if the variable isn't used yet. Is it clear?
Clear. Thank you, Mr.
Okay. How about you guys?
Sir, I also want to ask.
Okay.
Can you use to variable?
Yes, exactly. You can use two variable, but it will involve in linear equation with two variables. Is it clear?
Yes, thanks.
Okay. I want to ask, did you finish it too?
Yes.
Okay. All the way. So, all is finished, guys?
Yes,
So, after 5 minutes of discussion, is anyone want to tell the real example where we could use linear equation to solve a problem? Anyone? You can raise your hand.
Me, sir.
Okay, Zena.
I think linear equations are really useful in budgeting. For example, if I'm planning to save money for a laptop, I could set up an equation to figure out how much money I need to save each month. Let's say the laptop costs $1,200 and I already have $200 left. So I want to save the remaining amount in 10 months. So I could write an equation like 10x plus 200 equals 1,200, where x is the amount I need to save each month. Now, to solve for x, we subtract 200 from both sides. So we get an x equals 1,000. And then we divide both sides by 10. So we get x equals 1,000 divided by 10, and we get x equals 100. So I need to save $100 each month to reach my goal.
Okay. Is everyone agree with Zena's opinion?
Yes, agree.
Any question? No?
No.
Okay. That's an excellent example, Zena. You have used a linear equation to solve a verbal problems. This is exactly how linear equation can be helpful in everyday life, whether it's budgeting, planning, or figuring out ways. Linear equations provide a systematic way to solve for unknowns. Now, let's take a look at one more example and then we will wrap up. Let's try. What should I write here? 1 second. Let's try 2x minus 4. Okay. Can you guys see it? Is it clear yet? Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can anyone tell me how to solve this one? Aliya, don't you give it a try?
Sure. So we have 2x minus 4 equals 10. First, we add 4 to both sides to get the minus part.
Okay.
This gives us 2x equals 14. Now, to isolate x, we divide both sides by 2. So, x equals 14 divided 2. And we get x equals 7.
Well done, Aliya. You have solved it correctly. The solution to 2x minus 4 equals 10 is x equals 7. So, to recap, we have learned how to solve linear equation by isolating the variable using basic arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, multiplying, and division.
So we basically just keep expanding the variable until we find its value, right?
Exactly. The key to solving linear equation is to manipulate both sides of the equation using the same operation to keep the equation balanced. As long as you remember that, you will be able to solve any linear equation you encounter.
I really like how we can use this in real life. It makes the math feel more useful.
That's exactly the goal here. Math is not just math is not just abstract. It's a powerful tool that helps us solve problems in the real world.
I'm definitely going to practice more with this equation. They seem easier now that I understand the steps.
And I'm going to try using equations for other things like planning trips or figuring out the cost of groceries.
Okay, so any question is there any question that might you be still confused or still don't know how to solve that linear equation thing before we end this class? Any question? Did you understand all of this subject?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. I'm glad to see you all understanding the material and think about how you can apply it. Keep it, practice it, and don't hesitate to ask questions if anything is unclear. Good work today, everyone. Is fair. Okay. But before we ending the class, I have assignment for you. Is you can write it up on your notes. So we will submit in the next session. So please write it up for several questions. Maybe how many questions do you want? 5, 10, 50?
One.
It's easy. Why we don't try 5 questions? Is it okay? 5 questions to your homework assignment?
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I hope this people will work again. Okay. What is today? So 1 week. 1 week is okay, word number 1 is 15. Number 2 is
Excuse me, mister.
Yes?
Sorry, the reading is not clear.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about I speak it clearly? Oh, can it be like that? I will speak the question slowly, but I hope you can hear it, okay?
Okay.
What language do you want we speak to? Yeah. Is what number that you cannot see? Is everyone is this all of them or
All of them.
you can, okay, so number one is 5x minus 2 equal 18. Then number 2, 9x plus 1 equal 10. Number 3, 4x minus 2 equal 10. Number 4, 8x plus 2 equal 18. The last number, number 5, 2x minus 4 equal 4. Okay, did you guys write it out? No?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the homework assignment. So the maximum you can submit is Monday at 16 December 2024. You guys understand?
Yes, mister.
Okay. Okay, that's all for this class. Before we leave this class, we can pray first before we end. So I'll pray here. Okay, pray finish. Thank you guys. You can leave the class.
Thank you, mister.
Thank you.
Wait a minute.
Eh, 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 eh.
Oh my God! Wow!